All right, guys, let's take a look at this VS350 we're putting into service from Vermeer. Same great quality that you've always known from Schuler, with the backing and support of Vermeer, now that they are the parent company. This is the first VS350 sold west of I-75 in the state of Kentucky. Fixing to grind up a nice 4x5 bale here at Rosebud Farms in Cadiz. Got a nice Deutz Fahr 5120G Premium gonna runner, putting out about 110, 112 horsepower at the PTO. Start right here up front. Got a nice TopCon scale system that swivels, an independent deck. You have also a whatever you call it. The scale system's got 4 points on it instead of 3. A trickle charger built in down there with the battery so that you can be ready to run. Very simple to operate. We've already put our stop limiters in to fit the man's bunk, so as you let her down, there's no problems. Nice and easy to service. We've already put our bale restrictors in, keep it from spinning. Simple lights. We're going to be ready to rock and roll. This is Austin, our Vermeer rep, pitching the excess hay in after we cut the net wrap off of this bale. So let's see what she does. All right, guys, fixing to dump this bale in. Go up the little platform here, be safe about it. Compacted bale. That is the progressive density system from work on the baler that came out of. His handiwork. All right, so we just got done putting part of a processed bale out of the VS350 over into the bunk, and Austin is going through it. This was not a chopper baled bale. This was run through a conventional dry hay baler, and you don't have anything very big at all. Make it easy for them to come up and eat. Less waste all the way down the bunk. Nice and easy to feed out. The Vermeer VS350. Give us a call, see what we can do for you. We've got them, this is the baby mixer, and we've got them all the way up to the 1150 twin screw.